How to change Zara delivery address. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how can you change Zara delivery address. So in order to change the delivery address, you just want to go ahead and open the Zara app onto your device, after which you just want to go to my account section or account section, and there you want to go to the purchase list. So basically, to change the delivery after order, to change the Zara delivery address, you just want to go to the purchase section. There you just want to select the specific order and view the order details. If the order status still allows you to for change, you could typically before it happens, you could prepare or ship. You will see an option to modify the shipping address, and if purchase is a guest, you must see use the confirmation email. So what you need is just open the order confirmation email, tap the manage your order link, and status allow you can update the delivery information as well. And this way you're supposed to change Zara delivery address. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.